What?
Boomerang! Albert, activate the hatch. I am the Guardian of Paris. I am the Dark Owl.
The countdown's still running.
What? That's impossible. Oh, come on, please.
Looks like... tastes like whipped cream.
Oh, no!
Time's up. Albert, drop the bus. You knaves. It was a hologram all along. So, how does it feel to lose for once and be humiliated? Did you really think I would hurt a kitten? This next trap, though, is very real. The room you're in is filling up with whipped cream as we speak. Whipped cream's too thick to swim in, but too runny to float on.
I hope it's lactose-free at least.
You're going to drown, softly but surely. Unless, that is, you accept defeat and give me your Miraculous. Do you really think it'll make a difference if I can't see you, Ladybug? There's nowhere to escape. If you don't give me the Miraculous now, I'll simply take them after the owl's whipped cream has buried you.
He's right. We're done for.
Not yet, we're not. You win, Dark Owl!
The time has come. Excellent work, Dark Owl.
Close your eyes and no peeking.
We can't do this.
Trust me. Spots off.
Claws in.
Miraculous delivered, sir.
Now I am the only superhero in Paris, and a superhero keeps his word. Albert!
Owl's whipped cream deactivated, sir.
Dark Owl, deliver the Miraculous to me.
Albert, transfer! I am the best bird!
They are mine. Ladybug's ability to create and Cat Noir's power of destruction. Whoever succeeds in merging these two Miraculous shall be granted a wish that can change reality and erase the past. This cannot be! No! Dark Owl! Ladybug and Cat Noir tricked you! These are fake Miraculous made out of salt dough!
Cataclysm!
What? But that's impossible. How did you do it?
Hey, what did you expect? A superhero never reveals her secret. I thought you'd know better. I've got a plan A, plan B, and all the alphabet to Z. Did you really think we'd give you our Miraculous? We're superheroes. We are Ladybug
and Cat Noir. By the way, say hi to Hawk Moth for us. Hope he enjoys his new toys.
Destroy them, Dark Owl! If you fail again, you can bid your superpowers farewell!
Boomerangs, trajectory control, Albert!
We still don't know where Zakuma's hidden.
But we know it's not in any of his weapons! Cover me!